welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing this beautiful 22-inch Kinky straight synthetic wig from Aminow. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They did reach out to me and send me this wig to review, and baby, she is giving what she needed to give. So this was a super quick, easy, simple wig install. This unit is super thick. She's so full. She's 22 inches, so she comes all the way down. She's very thick, very full. The hair texture is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely loving it. Give you a quick 360, and then we're gonna get right into the details. Absolutely loving her. She is a middle part only, and this is like the T-shaped lace front wig. So she is a middle part. Again, super thick, super full, very minimal shedding. I'm super impressed with this wig, and I can't believe that it is synthetic. I did run a flat iron over it just once in big sections because I didn't want to lose the texture, but she's absolutely beautiful. Let's get in styling. link to this unit in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you rock her? Let me know. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.